So the famous parrot is usually under here, guys. Famous parrot with lungs right here. Friendly pet friendly, should say. He's not here today. He's usually just here, perched. Not here today. Yeah, let's see. This is his little perch. He's usually just there from the videos I've seen anyway. But he's not there today. Anyway, we digress. Come on. Take a walk down the strip now. Well, on the promenade, I should say. See what we can see. It's like a cool thing to do. Go down here. This is cool. Oh, yeah, my socks wet now, aren't they? Oh wow. Oh wow. I got the socks wet. Bloody hell. Oh whoa. Oh whoa. Got my socks wet there. Bloody hell. Got my socks wet. Yeah. Got me, my love.